In this video, we'll show you how to install the Superman mod in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the Superman mod is a GTA 5 script that lets you play as a Superman with a full set of powers. And here I'll show you how to install it. So first, let's download everything we need. I've put the link in the description below. For the Superman scripts, you can go to Julio and IB Patreon. And to get the mod, you have to pay $5 to access the download link. There is free trial version, which is the older one. If you want to check it out, you can also find it in his Patreon. And next, also on his Patreon, we also need an IB mods menu, and you can access it if you're subscribed to his Patreon. For the menu to work, we need native UI. You can go to the GitHub page through the link below, and here just download the latest release.zip. Because this mod doesn't include the Superman Peds, you can go to the Darth Knight Patreon to download the ped. It's free, so just go ahead and click the download button here. And to install the Superman ped, we'll use add-on Peds. You can download it on gta5mods.com. And then to install them, we need OpenIV. This one is free, so just go to openiv.com and click download now here. To make sure everything works, we also need scribble-v. Here, just click download. After you download everything, you have the Superman scripts and IB mods menu, the Superman ped, native UI, add-on Peds, OpenIV installer, and scribble-v. And to install them, you'll need your GTA 5 directory. To find it on Steam, go to library, right-click on GTA 5, manage, and browse local files. On Epic Games, go to library, click the three dots next to GTA 5, manage, and then click the folder icon. Now let's install OpenIV. So just open up the exe files, and here click continue, and then read the terms, check I accept, and hit continue again. You don't need to change anything here, just click continue and download the necessary files. Once installed, open up OpenIV, and here you'll be greeted with this. So just select GTA 5 Windows, and then you need to point to your GTA 5 directory. So click browse, and then point it to your GTA 5 directory. Hit select folder and click continue. We're inside OpenIV now, and first let's enable the edit mode on the top right. So click that and hit yes, and then go to the top menu here, click tool, and then select ASI manager, and then just install ASI loader, OpenIV ASI, and open camera. After that, you can close it. Next, let's install scribble-v. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR or 7-zip, but for this video I'll use WinRAR, so just right click and open it with WinRAR. Inside it, go to the bin folder, and here what you need is X input, scribble-v, and D input 8. So select them all and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory. And that's done. Next, for the native UI, you can open up the zip file and select all the files inside it, and we'll put them into the scripts folder. If you don't have the scripts folder, you can create one inside your GTA 5 directory. So let's go ahead and do that. Open up the scripts folder, select all the files, and then drag and drop them into the scripts folder. Next, we'll install the add-on Peds. You can open up the add-on Peds zip file. Inside, you have the script folder, DLC packs folder, and add-on Peds editor, exe, and XML. So you can select the scripts folder, add-on Peds XML, and exe files. And then what we're gonna do is drag and drop them into your main GTA 5 directory, like that. Alright, so next, for the DLC packs, you can go to OpenIV, and here go to mods, and then update x64 DLC packs. And you can open up the DLC packs folder, and you have this folder. So what we're gonna do is just drag and drop it into the DLC packs on OpenIV. There we go. So you have that. After that, go back to mods, and then update RPF, comment, and then data. Here, look for DLC list.xml, right click on it and select edit. Scroll down, and here what we're gonna do is select one of the lists, right click and hit copy, and you can press enter, right click here and paste it. Now we're gonna rename it into add-on Peds. You can click save now, and add-on Peds is installed. Now let's install the Superman Peds. Open up the Peds zip file, and here we'll install it inside the add-on Peds folder. Go back to mods folder, and then update x64 DLC packs, add-on Peds, and then peds.rpf. And here we're gonna do is put all of the ped files into the peds.rpf. Just like before, just drag and drop it like that. Now go back to your GTA 5 directory and look for add-on Peds editor, right click on it and run it as administrator. And now you have this menu here. Go to Peds and select new ped. Enter the name of the ped model, so it'll be the name of the file, and select the ped type. And then for the stream, you can read the text below to know if it's false or true. And then you can click add ped. And the last step is click rebuild. And that's done for the Superman ped. And next, we're gonna install the NIB mods menu. Open up the zip file. Inside it, you have a setup package. So So to install the package, you can simply drag and drop it anywhere onto OpenIV and it'll open up the installer like that. Click install and select the game folder for this one and confirm installation, and it'll start installing. After it's done, finally we can install the Superman scripts. So open the Superman mod zip file, and here you have some OIV installer and extra stuff folder that you can install. First, let's install the Superman main installer, which is the number one, and just like before, drag and drop it anywhere onto OpenIV, and then here click install, select the mods folder and confirm installation, and it should start installing. Just wait for it for a minute, and after that's done, let's install suits ini files.oiv. Do it like before, drag and drop and then install. For this one, select game folder and confirm. Wait for it to finish. It shouldn't take long for this one. Next, for the corpse model, you can choose either add or replace. It's up to you, but I'll install the add one, so let's go ahead and do that. Drag and drop, select mods folder and confirm, and that's done. Now for the optional mods, open up the extra stuff folder, and here you don't really need to install it unless you have some errors after you install the Superman scripts, but if you want to install them, you can basically do the same as before. And now everything is done. So before you open GTA 5 in Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings and make sure you disable Battle Eyes so you're not going into GTA Online and risk getting banned. Alright, we're in GTA 5 now, and to open the menu, you can press Ctrl+N on your keyboard, and here you can select the Superman script and then go to suits, select the one you have, and after you've done that, the Superman will spawn flying down. Now you can fly and use all of the Superman abilities inside GTA 5, and that's it.